Good morning, children. Hope you all are okay. Now we'll continue with our work. Same block 7, our government. Now previously we have learnt about organs of the government. So how government functions and how it looks after our country. Like for example, organs of the government. Legislature, he makes the laws. Executive carries out laws. Judiciary protects laws. Okay. Now this is all previous class which I have explained. Right. Now children, today we will be going to learn S4, the Indian government. Okay. Now aim, what is our aim? Identify the structure of the government. Now what steps, with the steps the government will function. Okay, step by step the government will function, right? Now central government. Now I'll show you heading, paper heading. Just see this is the heading. You can, I think so, in your house you must be getting newspaper, any newspaper, English, Telugu, Hindi, or any language paper. In that you will see heading, right? This is known as heading. Now I am having this newspaper called Chronicle. In that, what is this heading? Respect daughters as a goddess. PM gives the message, right? Like that way. And then, did you see, children? Like this. Another paper about Bharat Bio Covaxin. Now nowadays you know this, what disease has come. Gets P3 node vaccines by June 21. See, this is very important heading, right, children? You understood, children? Did you understand, children? Okay. Now take out your reader, children. Okay. Now children, take out your reader, page number 47. I'll read these two paragraphs. Central and state government. The President along with the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers form the executive, okay, body of the country. What they will do? Prime Minister along with President along with Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, they form the executive body of the country. Means they will make one group, okay. The Parliament is the main legislative body. Parliament is the main. We are having Parliament, no, Indian Parliament in Delhi. That is the main junction where every whole country work has been done there. Okay. Legislative body. The Indian Parliament has two houses. The Lok Sabha means lower house, and the Rajya Sabha is upper house. The Lok Sabha has 552 members. In that, how many members they are having? 522 members. And the Rajya Sabha has 250 members. Please remember this, children. In Rajya Sabha, in Lok Sabha, 552 members, and Rajya Sabha 250 members. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial body of the country. The whole country, he is the main judge, okay? He is a judicial body. It protects the laws and settles disputes. Now you know this, what disputes we are getting, children. I don't want to discuss that. Now the members of the parliament are usually elected from different political parties. They have got different political parties. You know that parties, so many parties they are having now. In that, they will be elected. The party that gets the most number of votes forms the government. Whichever the party gets more number of votes, they will form the government, right? You know that. Before it was Congress, now it is BJP, like that way, or other also. The leader of the party becomes the prime minister. Whichever the leader for that party, he will become the prime minister. Now you understood, children? Okay? Now children, take out your workbook S4. Now take out your workbook, page number 42, S4, the Indian government. Fill in the boxes to show how the central government of India is organized. The central government, this is flowchart, which I showed you also on the board, the legislature, executive and judiciary. In that, legislature, he looks at legislature, the parliament, executive, president, judiciary, prime minister, executive, president and prime minister, and judiciary, Supreme Court is the highest. Just now I read it, the 2 paragraph in the reader, okay? Then again legislature, in parliament, Rajya Sabha, in executive, president or prime minister, Lok Sabha. Then in judiciary, Lok Sabha and prime minister, council of ministers. Okay? Now fill in the box to show how the state government are organized. Again in the state government, legislative, executive and judiciary. Again in legislative assembly, they have, every state has got, okay? We are having assembly now in Hyderabad. Then executive, governor, and then judiciary, high court. We are having high court, right? And down in executive, again chief minister and council of ministers it has got. Again I will show you this, okay? Just have a look and do your homework also. Still I have to explain you. 1 minute. I'll just click it up so that you can understand. Understood, children? Write neatly, children. Write with correct spellings.